Well, every time naman may ma-achieve tayo ng goal, syempre masaya kami for that. But understanding na just part of the journey ng goal namin. I think sa akin, ano, for the team, like a while ago, I believe we started out well talaga. But then we need to learn to, like, try to finish off yung umpisahan namin every game. Yun lang.
Thank you. To Raylan, you have 7 points, including crucial baskets of fourth quarter. So, nung mahabol yung Adamson, napaka-importante yung mga ginawa mong basket. So, ano masasabi mo na ito? Ito yung nagdala sa inyo sa final court, yung mga crucial baskets.
Siguro, thankful lang din ako na pumasok sa uli yung mga shots ko. Tsaka, siguro naging libre lang talaga ako. Tapos, yun ang binigay sa akin ng sitwasyon kaya ginrap ko.
Thank you, Raylan. To Jen, you have 16 points, 3 rebounds, 1 steal. So yun na, 4 out of 4 ka sa final 4. So ano masasabi mo? Ito, may chance ka na yun na, final 4 kaya may chance ka na graduate na as a winner again.
Masaya kasi na-experience namin na Final Four. Pero sabi nga na English Coach kanina, parang part na siya ng proseso and hindi pa naman talaga yun yung goal namin. And marami pa kaming games na paparating and yan, every game talaga counts ngayon para sa amin.
And to Francis, 60 points, 12 rebounds, 2 blocks, and 1 steal. This is your first Final Four stint for the Maroons. So, what can you say about this achievement, your personal achievement?
I'm grateful that we made it to the Final Four, and hoping to face the challenge that's coming head on, and keep playing tough and see it through the whole season.
Thank you, Floyd.
Sa akin kasi, yung number of wins, syempre, kailangan natin yan just to get into the Final Four. But then, ang importante sa amin is yung every game na harapin namin. Like for today, sabi ko kanina, we started out strong nung first quarter, then ending up losing each quarter. I think second, third, and fourth quarter, talo kami sa mga in terms of scoring. So, there's still a lot of things for us to improve. I mean, lalo na at both ends para sa akin. We still need to keep our focus pa rin and try to get better pa. Although we have 2 more games dito sa second round. For sure naman, pag-abot ng Final Four, it's it's gonna be tougher yung competition. But then, kailangan talaga each game, kung ano ma-improve namin, kailangan namin tutukan yan.
Coach, nabanggit na rin ni PJ yung 7 straight post-season and majority of those during your tenure. What does, in a way, that say on the program that you and even Coach Boas cultivated in Diliman in your time there?
Well, for me, I think it's the whole community itself. No? Hindi naman namin tayo na kami lang. It's gonna be like, we would prepare for every game or even yung for each year magpe-prepare kami. But in the support of everybody, kumbaga, for me, we're just part of the whole thing sa UP. So, on my part, of course, being a coach, proud kami na, being able to be at the Final Four lagi. And blessed din ako, very thankful na to have, nakakasama ko sa team every time na willing to work hard and go through yung lahat ng challenges without, giving up during mga games na tough sa amin. And for sure, kumbaga, lahat naman kami right now, kumbaga sa isip namin would be, trying to get better.